Welcome to another Uganda Diaries vlog, where I share with you my experiences with travel culture and everyday life in Uganda. So I started off my morning running errands. I found this border man outside home, and I told him I want to stick with you for the whole day or for the whole morning, just while I run my errands. And then at the end you can tell me a price. And so that's what we did. He waited outside for me at every location, and yeah, it worked out, and he was definitely happy. It was just more convenient for me, just working with one person rather than getting on different borders every single time. Then I walked into this shop. I was browsing and saw so many cool and interesting locally made products, food and clothing and other stuff. I noticed they also have a cafe at the back, so I ordered a milkshake, and yeah, they're adding sprinkles. I think it was a vanilla milkshake, and it was nice. Then I went to a material shop and I wanted to make a bed sheet, and I saw these interesting fabrics and I thought, oh, this would be great to wear to a safari or just to wear in general. But these particular fabrics were too heavy, so I decided not to go with these ones, and I made other dresses on other days, so you'll see them coming up. Then I made my way back home. I had quite a busy morning. I bought this extension cable so we can charge multiple things. 2 of these phone chargers. I want to do my hair, but I think that maybe wasn't enough time, so I'm probably gonna go first thing tomorrow morning, but that means I need to buy maybe some shampoo. I'll see. Material cut, and they sewed it into a bed sheet for me. They sewed the hem, so yeah. And that's it really. And then also, of course, I got the milkshake. And I'm finishing that off, and then that's actually my breakfast, milkshake. So yeah, the day continues. Now these people tricked me, telling me they made me a very special drink, an avocado smoothie. So I'm just like, oh my goodness, Abe, you made this amazing smoothie. And they're just laughing because it's like, this is such a common drink in Uganda. Everybody knows, they sell them everywhere on the street. Actually, I had just had the milkshake, so I didn't need a drink, but because they said they made it for me specially, I felt like I had to drink it, so I drank it. Abel just made this wonderful smoothie. It's avocado, ginger, and pineapple. Cheers. Karibu sana. Sugar cane. It's sweet inside, but it's kind of like paper. You spit out the rest, isn't it?
You know what? This one. If you would have put some bananas in this and there,
yeah,
it would be more nice.
In here?
I am the one who trained them to do it.
No.
I am the expert of doing this. I can mix it and you'll forget that this is not a juice.
Really?
It's from Uganda.
No,
yeah,
but in Uganda,
I
want it to be from Uganda because it's fresh and organic.
You know what? We can make a soup that's different from this taste.
Yeah.
We can make a soup.
Yeah.
Mixed with ginger.
Yeah.
Cook together.
Yeah.
With the back of orange, not orange, lemon.
Yeah.
You cook the back of lemon, including the ginger.
Yeah.
And sometimes if we want to make that kind of leaves,
yeah,
we call it what?
It's photo
cinnamon leaves.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Those cinnamon leaves, you can mix it, and then you cook it together. You make it cool. You take to the fridge.
Yeah. Well, I would like to try it one day. I would like to try it one day.
One day.
I'm gonna throw.
Okay.
Yeah. This bit you don't eat it, right?
If I'm around, then I will show you how to do it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Show you how to do it better.
Let me get.
And it's really nice. Yeah.
It sounds good because I love ginger.
I have been making this juice.
Yeah.
There is some wazungu from US.
Yeah.
They order it from US direct.
In a bottle.
No,
order from you.
Yeah, order from me.
Really?
Yeah. I make it in 10 setup, something like that.
And you send it?
Yeah.
From you?
Yeah.
You people are.
Yo! You're eating sugar
Sorry.
cane.
Wait, did you actually make this? And then you put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've just been given a fruit. I'm told it's called Muyemeya, and it's basically a pear. Nobody could find the English word, but yeah, it is a pear. Studio, mommy's at the studio. There's Calvin. There we go. Some jackfruit trees over there. Actually, this place is called Iron Donkey Cafe. And yeah, my mom is just in the studio over there, but it's a bit hot, so I decided to come and sit outside. I'm gonna give my cousin a call. Yeah, it's nice to chill out here.
Oh, the sandwiches. Okay.
Chips we give for full portion, huh?
So let me see. Give me a cheese quesadilla.
So we just made our order, and yep, food is on its way. We've been chilling here for a while actually, but the food has come, so I thought I would show you. I got the was it Thai chicken wrap? Then we got some chips to share, and also Lloyd got the quesadillas, right? Chicken quesadillas. Lloyd ordered and my chicken Thai wrap, so we're just gonna swap like 1 and 1, I think that makes sense. And then yeah, dig in.
Yeah, let's dig in.
Now I have a soda, ginger beer basically. So this vlog has now come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you've made it this far, please do leave a flag in the comments, a flag of where you are from. I'm displaying the Ugandan flag right here. Honestly, this content is bringing back so many memories. And for a while, of course, I mentioned in how I ended up in Uganda, or why I ended up in Uganda. That I was not planning to go to Uganda. I had no plans to go to Uganda. But going to Uganda was so good for my soul. It was so good for my spirit. It really did something. You know, when I was there, I just felt like I didn't have any worries, you know. I know the reason that I went there wasn't the most positive of reasons, but once I got there, I just felt free. I felt at home. So I'll see you in my next Uganda Diaries. Join me on this journey as we explore.